Did you know that snakes can smell with their tongues? Today, we are re-uncovering the top 10 fascinating facts about snakes that will leave you amazed and maybe even a little bit scared. Let's start with fact number 10. There are over 3,000 species of snakes slithering around the world. That's right, these scaly creatures have managed to adapt and thrive on every continent except Antarctica. From the lush rainforests of South America to the scorching deserts of Africa, snakes have found a way to call almost every corner of the earth their home. Now, on to fact number 9. Have you ever wondered why snakes always seem to be staring? Well, it's because they can't blink. Unlike us, snakes don't have eyelids. Instead, their eyes are protected by a clear scale that's like a built-in pair of goggles. So the next time you lock eyes with a snake, remember, you'll definitely lose that staring contest. Fact number 8 is where things get really interesting. Remember how we mentioned snakes can smell with their tongues? It's true. When you see a snake flicking its forked tongue, it's not trying to look cool, it's actually tasting the air. The tongue picks up tiny particles, which are then analyzed by a special organ in the roof of their mouth called the Jacobson S organ. This gives snakes a superpowered sense of smell that helps them hunt and navigate their environment. Speaking of hunting, let us move on to fact number 7. Snakes have an incredible ability to swallow prey much larger than their own head. How do they do it? Their jaws are designed to unhinge, allowing them to open extra wide. This flexible jaw structure means a snake can gulp down animals that seem impossibly big compared to the snake's size. It's like having an expandable stomach, pretty handy for a predator. Fact number 6 brings us to the cold-blooded nature of snakes. These reptiles are ectothermic, which means they rely on their environment to regulate their body temperature. You'll often see snakes basking in the sun to warm up or seeking shade when it's too hot. This adaptation allows them to survive in a wide range of climates, from tropical jungles to arid deserts. Now, let's slither into fact number 5. When it comes to taking down their prey, snakes have two main strategies: venom and constriction. Some snakes, like cobras, use potent venom to immobilize and kill their victims. Others, like pythons, wrap their powerful bodies around their prey and squeeze until it can no longer breathe. Both methods are incredibly effective, making snakes some of the most successful predators in the animal kingdom. Fact number 4 is all about fashion, snake style. Snakes regularly shed their skin in a process called ectosis. As a snake grows, its old skin becomes too tight, so it sheds it off like an old coat. This shedding process not only allows for growth, but also helps get rid of parasites and keeps the snake's scales in top condition. It's like getting a full-body makeover several times a year. Let's dive into fact number 3. Many snakes are excellent swimmers and climbers. Whether it's gliding through water or scaling trees, these reptiles are surprisingly agile. Some species, like sea snakes, spend most of their lives in the water, while others, like tree snakes, are more at home in the canopy. This versatility allows snakes to hunt and live in a variety of habitats, making them true masters of adaptation. Fact number 2 is all about size extremes in the snake world. On one end of the spectrum, we have tiny snakes that are only about 10 centimeters long, small enough to curl up on a coin. On the other end, we have giants like anacondas that can grow to over 9 meters in length. That's longer than a school bus. This incredible range in size shows just how diverse and adaptable snakes can be. And finally, we've reached fact number 1, perhaps the most important of all. Snakes play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems around the world. They're nature's pest control, helping to keep rodent populations in check. Without snakes, we'd likely see explosions in the numbers of mice, rats, and other small animals that can damage crops and spread diseases. So while some people might find snakes scary, they're actually unsung heroes of the natural world. From smelling with their tongues to swallowing prey whole, snakes are full of surprises. These fascinating creatures have evolved some truly incredible adaptations that allow them to thrive in diverse environments across the globe. Whether it's their unique hunting methods, their ability to shed their skin, or their important role in ecosystem balance, snakes continue to captivate and amaze us. Which fact amazed you the most? Was it their ability to unhinge their jaws, or perhaps their superpowered sense of smell? Maybe you were surprised by how many species of snakes exist, or by the extreme size differences between the smallest and largest snakes. Whatever it is, there's no denying that snakes are some of the most intriguing animals on our planet. Next time you encounter a snake, whether in the wild or at a zoo, take a moment to appreciate these remarkable reptiles. Remember, they're not just scary predators, but complex creatures that have evolved over millions of years to become perfectly adapted to their environments. So, whether you're a snake enthusiast or someone who's always been a bit wary of these slithering creatures, we hope these facts have given you a new appreciation for snakes. They may not be cuddly, but they're certainly fascinating. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more wildlife secrets. And if you have any cool snake facts of your own, or if you've had an interesting encounter with a snake, share your story in the comments below. Who knows, your experience might slither its way into our next video. Until next time, keep your eyes peeled for these amazing creatures. Just remember, they can't blink back at you.